Hello, good morning, everyone. I welcome all of you to the lecture Decision Support System and Intelligence System. In previous lecture, we have discussed about the decision support system components. Today, we will see the future current decision support systems development. Now you see, is this presentation visible to you? Okay. So in previous lecture, we have discussed about the DSS users. There were manager, decision maker, problem solver, and expert staff. All are the users of decision support system. And what is the future for decision support system, as well as what is the current use of decision support system? What is development going into the decision support system subject, as well as in the market? We are discussing about that. The hardware enhancement, we know the hardware is getting cheaper than the previous hardware, as well as that is getting a very sophisticated small, and as compared to the previous hardwares, the today's hardwares are very faster, and in future that is also again getting very small, as well as the speed of that hardware will be very fast. Nowadays the mobile phone and the computer size is in between 7 inch to 20 inch. Okay, but in future that will very small, as like wheat's grain. Do you know wheat's grain or rice grain? Size of rice grain, computer size or the mobile size will be in future as like a rice grain, that will be fitted into the human's hand, in between two finger, in between finger thumbs and the index finger, that rice will be fitted. Such type of a small device will be become in future, and that will very low cost, and the speed of that will be very high, as well as the software and hardware advancement, data warehouse, data mining, OLAP, web technologies, integrations and disseminations technologies, XML, web services, SOA, grid computing we will use. SOA is a service oriented architecture. According to the service, which service we have to provide to the client, according to the client's need, we will provide the architecture of the device, architecture of the software, as well as the architecture of the system which he needed. Grid computing we will use the devices from various locations. We will use cloud computing whenever we need the service. At that time we will acquire, else we will stop that service, means cloud computing. The data is stored at various locations. From the various location, whenever we need, as a employee, as a manager, as a customer, we will acquire the data from the particular ends. That is the cloud computing. Integration of artificial intelligence, smart system we will use for auto responsive. We have to provide the auto response to the client, auto response to the customers, when the human is not present in the company, when we are not present in the company, though we are absent, but our system should respond to the client within their request time. uh, at the time of their request, our system should give the reply to him, so that we have to use artificial intelligence. Similarly, we have to use artificial intelligence to auto decision. Suppose uh, we want to find today's weather. Is there rainy weather, or is there sunny weather, or the winter weather? Is there possibility of rain? All that we will find with the help of artificial intelligence. We have to study the environmental parameters through the devices, through the sensors. Our sensors will acquire the information from weather, the humidity will acquire, the temperature will acquire, and accordingly we will get the information. Is there rain will today or not? That information through the smart system we will get with the help of artificial intelligence. uh, Decision support system hardware, typically management support system, runs on standard hardware, can be composed of mainframe computer with legacy database management system, or workstations, or personal computer, or client server systems. All these devices we can use, all these hardwares we can use for decision support system. Nowadays usually implemented as distributed, integrated, loosely coupled, and web based systems. You know, no one is fulfilled with the hardware, fulfilled with the software in today's scenario. To solve the complex problem, to solve the big problem, to support big project, we have to use integrated, distributed technologies. We have to use servers from other persons. If we don't have the server supports, we will use other servers. If you don't have the very good software, we will take the support from others. As well as loosely coupled web-based systems. We will use web-based technology to reach to the client, and can be acquired from single vendor, many vendor, best of the breed. We will acquire the information from single vendor, from multiple vendor, from a small enterprise, from big enterprise, with the help of these technologies, with the help of integrated, with the help of distributed technologies, we can able to acquire the our requirement, and we will be able to give the support to the end user. We will be able to give the support to the client, to the customer. This is the advantage of decision support system. It is very good support provide to the management support system. Is it understanding? Okay. Okay, then we are going towards the decision support system modeling languages. There is a planner lab. With the help of this planner lab, we will be understand how to modeling the decision support system language. For generating assumptions, there is a graphical view of planner lab. You see the model forecast column. Is this visible to you? Okay. Then by using this planner lab, we will create a new model, and in that model we will set the billing professionals, forecast columns, and all that. The link of this planner lab is given plannerlab.com. You can search this plannerlab.com and find the detail about this lab. You see, this video is given for understanding purpose by the planner lab to us. For planning, uh, uh, just a minute, you first listen and then we will understand for what we are going to use this planner lab. Okay. Okay.
Feel is the correct outcome. So this is software for simulating and visualizing the future. We hope to provide tools to create models and give the ability to instantly ask questions and receive immediate feedback. So that way, if someone has a question, you can give them an answer right away without having to adjourn and come back later. The Planners Lab is made up of two parts, the modeling language and the playground. First, let's talk about the modeling language. The modeling language is where you write the logic of your model. You define the variables and the values and the sections where they're organized. The modeling language is written in your own words,
Sir, video
English,
is not
Spanish,
audible.
German, or whatever it is that you speak.
ऑडियोबल नहीं है क्या? ठीक है, ठीक है. Why we use planner lab? The planner lab is a software for simulating and visualizing the future and provides tools to instantly ask questions and receive immediate feedback. Am I audible? Okay. It made up of two parts. First one is the modeling and second is the playground. After modeling, how that play, that is the second part. A modeling language written in your own words, English, Spanish, Germanies, like this, and readable algebraic expressions. We can also read in this planner lab algebraic expression and common variable are grouped in nodes. Playground, instance charting and graphing, drag and drop interface is given in this playground, and we can instant create the chart, we can instant create the graphs of the model which we have created, an immediate result to what if questions as well as the scenarios. You see in this model, the model design is given, stuffing, professional, associate, administrative, other expenses and summary. All these we can manage with the help of this planner lab. In forecast column, you see in 2008 and 2009, there number of 8 units starting and ending is given. Here the person is planning about the product and the professionals expertise required into the model, as well as how much employee where they are working into their business, into their company, and the profit, how much profit is got. All these we can manage with this planner. So why we will use the planner lab? The planner lab give decision maker tools to visualize experiment with future alternatives in a way what is the fun, engaging, addictive, and meaningful. No other product can do what the planner lab does. Means in planner lab there are various functions than the excel and other tools. Watch the following movie and then download the trial and see the yourself better. Set up a time for a free online demo. There are free online demos how to use this planner lab, as well as we can download the free software trial versions to see the how this planner lab work. For experimentation purpose, we can see the planner lab trial versions. In this planner lab, we can do what if questions, we can do goal seek, play with assumptions, see what matter most, as well as discover and learn, create Spanish English model as well, surface assumptions, explore sources of the data, communicate and collaborate, measure risk. We can also measure the risk into this planner lab, be a builder or viewer, create live dashboard. We can create the dashboard of the business, of the company, of the product. Uh, First one is the ask what if question. Do you ask what if questions about the future of your business? Do you get accurate answer? Do you get answer when you want them? You are at the mercy of technical analyst. Do you know where the answer come from? When do you get them? The planner lab software provide answer when you want them based upon the questions. This planner lab, according to the what if questions, this planner lab will response, as well as we can see the demo of this. Here you can individually see the demo of this what if questions by using the website plannerlab.com. This is the official website of plannerlab.com. You have to visit there and then you will see the demo, voice of that demo. Here is the block by the antivirus and our college firewall, but you can see this demo in your mobile phone or laptops. Goal seek. What is goal seek? Do you ever ask how can I? The planner lab goal seek function easily answers such question. Just pick up a variable for which you want to find a desired outcome. Then pick up what you want to change or achieve the outcome. Then watch the animated movement on the visual images of the answer your question. It is just that simple. You cannot do than mining historical database. Means goal six. What happen if we change a little bit one parameter? Then output will look like. That's we can do into the goal seek. Similarly, the demo is attached here in this website. You can see play with assumptions. Do you prefer visually appealing, simple and meaningful chart rather than the table after table of the numbers? Who would who would not? With the planner lab, you are use drag and drop to easy play with the assumption in the real time and on the fly immediately revealing the consequences of the changes. Means simple play. Uh, you will not get the interactive graphs into the Excel, but here you can create the interactive graphs. That graphs will play rather than just a tabular form, but in this planner lab you can give the text, and through that that graph will be interact. See what matter most. Do you know which variable in your business have the greatest impact upon the performance? Foresee that means what is which parameter, which feature, or the which is the component of our company giving us a great performance, that we can find in this planner lab. What really matters, what demand carefully attentions. The planner lab let us you instantly see, learn and find the answer to these questions into the planner lab. Also demo is attached here. You can discover and learn. It is learning a primary benefit of the application software. Yes, and that is truly the case with the planner lab. It allows you to permanently interact with the data and quickly discover and learn what was the previous known. This helps to avoid the cost surprises caused by programmer error and misunderstanding. To avoid the programmer's error, discover and learn this function we can use of the planner lab, as well as create your own model in English. What's unique about the planner lab modeling process? A planner lab model is built by you in English or in other language like Spanish, German, French, etc. The decision maker actively participate in creating the assumptions that generate the numbers. No need to memorize a manual. Without manual, without help, you can create your own model with the help of a English language. Okay, you can also see the demo that is blocked by our antivirus and the firewall, so that I will not able to show you the demo of this planner lab, but you can see individually on your mobile phone or the laptop about this. Explore the various sources of data. Where does the data come from? What is seen in the planner lab chart? It comes from the simulation model which you build with the planner lab software. Means from where you will get the data. You have to develop the model with this planner lab, and that will simulate, and that will provide you when you demands, as well as it will provide to your clients. For that you have to develop the model, simulation model, which you will build with the planner lab software. The data that is input to the drive model come from the variety of resources, opinions, experience, institutions, market research, Excel, SQL, and later other databases, polls, magazines, TV, colleagues. Wherever the data is normally obtained from all that data sources, we can explore the data into this planner lab and visualize the demo. We can use Excel, SQL, and TV, social media as like. Major risk. What is the major risk into this planner lab? How do you quantify risk? Often it is a simple ignore the hope that it will do away. Something decision maker consider worst cases scenarios. Regardless, risk is always present. With the planner lab, Risk assumptions are easily incorporated as a part of the model. Would you like quickly answer to the questions like what are the changes of the breaking event in the fourth quarter? The planner lab provide them. Means we can also handle the risk into this planner lab. Risk assumptions are easily incorporated as part of the model. Communicates and collaborates. We can communicate as well as we can collaborate with the help of this planner lab software. At the center of problem solving process, issues such as team communication and collaborations, different viewpoints and different assumptions are quickly surface and resolved. The planner lab serve as a friendly, non-obstructive and unbiased facilitator. There is no bias to anyone into this planner lab, as well as it provide you the communication collaboration with friendly. You can communicate and collaborate on different issues to resolve the problem. Be a model builder and executive viewer or both. The work group version of the provides complete planner lab functionality. This version follow the micromedia philosophy of occasionally connected. The viewer version is the visualized result of the asking what if question via web browsers, and modeling building is not available in this version. Means be model builder and the viewer gives you the what if questions result with the web browser. Create live dashboard. We can create the live dashboard through this dashboard have been around since the mid 1980s and have again becoming a fashionable. Still they only contain the presentations of tactic historic database data. In contrast with the planner lab, you can create dashboard with live data. When assumptions are changed, you receive immediate visualization of how the change affect your other assumptions and the results. In this live dashboard, this planner lab provide you a live dashboard. With the help of this, you can show the live result of your product to the client, to the manager, and to whom the result required. Then you can show actual result, live result with the help of this dashboard. But in mid of the 1960s, there was the dashboard, but that was the static. There the just images stored on that previous dashboard in 1980s dashboard. But nowadays that become a interactive. Instead of images, there video like scene are created. This is the small introduction about the planner lab. In this white paper, you will get all detail help how to use this planner lab, and in technical specification what is requirement to implement this software, to install this software, all this is given. You see the employee as a storyteller. You can view the pdf as well as you can download the pdf about this what is written. Living dashboard, how to use living dashboard, that is also given in this pdf. New software visualizing the past present futures, that is given into this pdf. You can view here as well as we can download that for our further study. You see the new software for visualizing the past, present, and future. A white paper is given by the Clifford Alper and Kevin Brown. What is their new software visualizing? The design, development, and availability of the visualizing software and have changed dramatically in the past 24 months. The change have resulted in software that is more interactive, more intuitive, easier to use, and faster to implement, and far less expensive. This is the white paper introduced three non-competitive software produced that are lead in these revolutions. Visualize discovery, visualize presentation, and visual simulation. All these are given in this new soft in this paper, white paper about the planner labs. Similarly, planner lab versus Excel, there is the differences in between two technologies. You see, we can also use for planning Excel, but this planner lab is also we can use for that. The function constructing understandable assumptions. What is in planner lab? A main advantage of planner lab model is to easy which the model can be constructed, understood, and convey to other people. The following small example is highlighted the point. Equations, profit. Here the profit is given 1, 2, and 3. Expenses equal to 40,000. Income equal to 50 50,000, and saving equal to income minus expenses. How much saving is there, that is equal to income minus expenses. uh, this type of analysis we can do into the planner lab, but into Excel what we have to do? You see in Excel, expenses, income and saving. Expenses 40,000, income 50,000, and saving equal to B3 minus B2. Where it is B3 location, you see the cell B2. B2 is the expenses, and in the you see here B3, cell number B3. This minus expenses is equal to, we will get the result. And similarly, the you can multiply here the previous result, means 1.3 to the B2. Like this representation we have to do, and here we will get the result of this C2. What is written in C2? With the help of equal to C2 into 1.3, we will get here the result about this. Similarly, the advantages of the both product. Planner lab is a modeling language rather than the calculator. Here just not we can perform the calculation into the planner lab, we can model with the help of a language. This means that the of assumptions and the English language equation like the following can be used instead of the cryptic formula of the Excel. In Excel we have to provide the formula. You see here the formulas are given, you see here is the formula, but in the planner lab we can write the sentence into the English language. The labor cost in the corner copy shop, here is the corner copy shops labor cost, how much labor cost required to the copy shop is given in this example. The number of employee, the number of employee equal to customer in business divided by 20 and whole divided by employee service per hour. This is the English language equation. Second, employee service per hour equal to 10. Employee service per hour, we have given the values to this variable 10. And here is the hourly wage. Hourly wages is 8. Total wages cost equal to hourly wages into number of employee into 8. The manager cost equal to 2100, 2100. The total labor cost equal to manager cost plus total wages. This type of English equations we can write into the planner lab, but into the Excel we have to write the formula for that. Sell versus target combo. Sell target 1000, 1500, 2500, 500 and 5500. Total is given here. Sell target 1 uh, is given here. The addition of all that 1000, 1500 and all, here is a written formula. With the help of that formula we have got the values. Sell forecast, that is also addition performed in this Excel. We can format the cell with general, number, currency, accounting, date, time, percentage and fractions. Practically we will see this. We will see this practically in practical session. Yesterday there were our practicals. Uh, Also synergy between the Excel and the planner lab. Synergy, energy. Okay, the energy between the Excel and the planner lab, how much power is there in the planner lab and the Excel, the comparison is given here. The Excel spreadsheet can be created directly from the planner lab model. This allow for the following. You see the building model in a natural language and then using the Excel power for the tabular report formatting and exporting to the Excel from planner lab is available in this planner lab. We can building the model in natural language like this. We have written here the natural languages, and with that we can perform the calculation. Similarly we can build the model in the natural language with the help of planner lab, and but in the Excel we cannot do that. But in planner lab we can provide the result into the Excel format as well. Create a new model. There is a function in the planner lab: create a new model, open model, close model. There is in file menu, save, save as, save scenario, import file into Excel format, into PDF format, into graphical format. We can export, as well as we can import the data from the Excel, from the text or the manually written in CSV file also we can take. We can take the printout from planner lab and log into the network. We can take the help of the online software or planner lab by logging to the website of the planner lab, as well as there is exit button for escape from the planner lab. This export process result in very neatly organized Excel spreadsheet. This export, we will provide the output very neat, easy to understandable output is provided by the planner lab to us. If we click on the export button, we will get the very good result into the Excel file. You see like this: cash flow statement, variable expenses sheet, gas sheet in variable expenses sheet. But in Excel What is there? The ability to launch sophisticated interactive dashboard display from the within the planner lab, where the dashboard created engine operate from Excel spreadsheet. Very good dashboard is provided by a planner lab to us. We have to use that. Like this, Supreme cookies are there, software sales volume, sales dashboard, salary and expenses, uh, as well as there are various differences in between the planner lab and the Excel. You can see all detail on this website. Which website? Which website? Plannerlab.com. Bhagyasri, hello, hello. You will find all detail about the Planner Lab into the plannerlab.com website. Okay, plannerlab.com website. There is huge material given by the official website of the plannerlab.com. You can find all detailed information. This is an example of the decision support system, Planner Lab software. For decision support system, we can use this Planner Lab. Urusa, Urusa, uh, what is your question? This Planner Lab we can use for decision support system, for business support. We can create here the model, we can create here the salary sheets, we can manage all the salary sheets, as well as we can design the dashboard. Yes, yes, yes. We can create the employee salary sheet into this Planner Lab, as well as we can create a dashboard to the customer. In that dashboard we can keep our products, and that will view by the customer, by the clients, and we can sell our product, and their report we will be display into the dashboard of the Planner Lab. For that, this dashboard will also help to us. Yes, yes, this is software. You can download this software. For download, for practical purpose, it is freely available, means trial version is given. And we can install it into the Windows 10, Windows XP, Windows 98, as well as into the Linux platform. Different setups are given. For technical specifications, there at least P3 processor or equivalent is required. But nowadays we are using the good processor like i3 dual core, like that. Okay, so it will easily run into your computer. This is software like Excel, but comparatively Excel, this Planner Lab will be helpful than the Excel, because directly we can model with the help of natural language like English. Okay, Urusa, just we seen some example differences. Yes, yes. In practically we will see this. Okay, just by direct writing the English language equation, we can find the result into the Planner Lab. But in Excel, we have to write the formula for that. These are the differences in between the Excel and the Planner Lab. If you have any question, any doubt regarding today's lecture, hardware, future of decision support system, then you can ask. Else we will stop here. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day. Bye.